Hello students. So in today's class we will see properties of definite integrals which he will be asking for 6 marks. One property either for 3 or 4 marks and one problem on it for 2 marks or 3 marks. So that marks distribution depends upon difficulty of the problem which he gives with it. So in this video I will cover all the properties, and in next video we will see problems on those properties. So in this first 3 properties he will never ask, but we need those for derivations of further properties. So first property he denotes it as a P naught. So first property states that integration from a to b f of x dx is equal to integration from a to b f of t dt. Means in a function, in place of x if you substitute t, then also the value remains the same, or you will get the same value in definite integral. So in place of x if you substitute t, dx becomes dt. So this we use for derivations. So this is first one. First 3 are simple, which he will never be asking. So second property, if I take second property, integration a to b f of x dx is equal to minus integration b to a f of x dx. So what second property states, or P1 states, if you change the limits upper to lower, lower to upper, then the sign changes. Plus becomes minus, else minus becomes plus. This is second one. Third property, that is P2, if I take. So a to b f of x dx, this can be written as integration a to c f of x dx plus integration c to b f of x dx, where c is in between a and b, where c is in between, that is where a is less than or equal to c, less than or equal to b. So this is our third one. So these we will be using for further derivations. Clear students? We will see next ones. We will see fourth property, or it is denoted as P3. So a to b f of x dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So now if I take a proof. So in this proof we start from RHS and we prove that it is equal to LHS. So this bracket term you take it as t. So put a plus b minus x is equal to t. So if we substitute this as a t, this term also changes. So if I differentiate, differentiation of a is 0, differentiation of b is 0. So minus dx is equal to dt. So if I change sign, dx is equal to minus dt. Now accordingly the limit also changes. So first, when x is equal to a, so if I take lower limit x is equal to a, substitute in this expression, put anta ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So you will have t is equal to a plus b minus x. If I substitute a plus b minus a gets cancelled, you will get t is equal to b. So when x is equal to b, upper limit if I take, when x is equal to b, again substitute in this expression. So you will have t is equal to a plus b minus x, a plus b minus b. So b gets cancelled, you will get t is equal to a. T is equal to a. Now substitute all these values in RHS. So if I take RHS is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now I will substitute this. So when x is a, t is b. So in place of a you will get b, in place of b you will get a. So this will be integration from b to a. A plus b minus x is t. So f of t, and dx is minus dt. Dx is minus dt. Now I will take this minus outside. So I will have minus b to a f of t into dt. Now if you see second property, that is by property P1. What second property states? If you interchange the limits, the sign changes, so this minus becomes plus. So this is a to b f of t into dt. Instead of b to a it becomes a to b. So by property P1, by property P1, that is second property. Now first property, what it says, or P naught, what it says, even in place of t if you take x, the value remains same. So this is equal to a to b f of x dx. So this is by property P naught. So a to b f of x dx is nothing but our LHS. So this is equal to LHS. Clear, students? So these properties either for 3 or 4 marks he will ask, and along with this a problem will be there. Now we will go for the next property. So next one, students. So same as the last property we have solved. It is similar to that. Instead of a to b it is 0 to a. So again you are required to start from RHS. So it is modification of last property. There it is from a to b, it is from 0 to a. So now again take this term a minus x as a t. So you can solve along with me. So put a minus x is equal to t. Next you differentiate a0 minus dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx is equal to minus dt. Dx is equal to minus dt. So accordingly if I substitute when x is equal to 0. So x equal to 0 if I substitute in this, t is equal to a minus x. So a minus 0. So you will get t is equal to a. Upper limit if I take when x equal to a, when x equal to a. So t is equal to a minus x, that is a minus a minus a, you will get t equal to 0. Now substitute all these values again in RHS. Mat RHS togori ella values substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So if I take RHS 0 to a f of a minus x dx, a minus x dx. So now 0 to a, x is 0, x is a, at that time t will change from a to 0. So this 0 to a becomes a to 0. F of a minus x is t. So this is f of t. Dx is equal to minus dt. So minus dt. So again take this minus outside. So similar 3 steps you will have. So minus a to 0 f of t dt. Now if you interchange these limits, sign changes by property P1. So you will have 0 to a f of t dt by property P1. By property P1. By first property, that is P naught. What it says? In place of t, if there is x, the value remains same. So 0 to a f of x dx. This is by property P naught. So if you observe 0 to a f of x dx is nothing but our LHS. So this is equal to LHS. This is equal to LHS. Clear, students? So you can note down. We will go for the next property. So students, next property if we take, so 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. So now if I take a proof by property P2, that is the third property, by property P2. So by this property what I can say, if I take this LHS, that is 0 to 2a f of x dx, I can write it as 0 to a f of x dx plus integration a to 2a f of x dx. This is equation 1. Do you remember this property? Else you can go back and see. So a is in between 0 to 2a. A is in between 0 to 2a. So I can write it as 0 to a to 2a. Now if you observe the property and what we have written, so this LHS is same, these terms are same. So now I require to show that these two are equal. This is equal to this, I am required to show. So just take this integral and simplify, means only this term will take, solve it and show that this is equal to f of 2a minus x from 0 to a. So I will write, consider a to 2a f of x dx, f of x dx. Now how to start, you remember. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೇನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ಸೋ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್. ಈ ಬ್ರೆಕೆಟ್ ಏನದ, ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪುಟ್ 2a minus x is equal to t. Put 2a minus x equal to t. So if I take x to the RHS, t to the LHS, I will have x is equal to 2a minus t. x ikkade tagondene RHS ge, t LHS ge tagondene. So you will get x equal to 2a minus t. So now again if I differentiate, dx is equal to, differentiation of 2a is 0, differentiation of t is minus dt. Minus dt. Now, if you substitute, you are required to change the limit also. So when x equal to a, when x equal to a, ಎದ್ರಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪುಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ x equal to a over here, so you will get t is equal to 2a minus a, so you will get t is equal to a. Now put x equal to 2a. So when upper limit if we take, when x equal to 2a, so t is equal to 2a minus 2a, you will get t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Clear ada? Now all these things you substitute in this. Consider anta ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡೇವೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ values ತುಂಬಿ. So now if I substitute, so integration a to 2a f of x dx is equal to, so a to 2a will go and their limit will have from a to 0. So this is integration from a to 0. In place of x you will have 2a minus t. So f of 2a minus t. In place of dx you will have minus dt. So with respect to t, that is minus dt. Now again same 3 steps you will have. So in last two properties what you have solved, same steps. So now take minus outside, you will have minus 0 to a to 0 f of 2a minus t dt. Now again by property P1, so if you interchange limits, sign changes. So this is equal to 0 to a f of 2a minus t dt by P1 by P naught. So in place of t, if you write x, value remains the same. So you will have 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx by property P naught. Now substitute this value in equation 1, you will have the answer. So substituting in equation 1. So if you substitute in 1, you will have this answer. That is 0 to 2a f of x dx. So 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx, 0 to a f of x dx plus. Now in place of this, you are having this one. So 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. Then write hence proved, that is our property. Clear, students? So you can note down, we will go for the next one. So next property, if you see, students. So 0 to 2a f of x dx. This will be equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. Condition is this should be true. Else its answer is 0 if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. So if I take proof, this is very easy. Hardly 3 steps you will have the answer if you take proof. So by last property, means previous to this one, that is P5, by property P5, 0 to 2a f of x dx. This I can write it as 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx. This I will take it as 1. By previous property I have written. Now just conditions, whatever he has given you substitute, you will get the answer. So I will be solving over here. So if I take first condition, f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. So what he says, if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, substitute that value in equation 1. So f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, substituting in 1. Substituting in equation 1. So if you substitute over here, you will have the answer. So 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx plus. Now this 2a minus x, f of 2a minus x is f of x. So plus limits remain same, 0 to a, only function changes dx. Now if you observe, both are same, limits are same, so you can add. So this will be 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. So this is first one. 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. Now you might have understood the second step. So if it is minus, this becomes minus, so answer you will get 0. So you can solve. So second, if f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x, substituting in 1, substituting in equation 1. So if I substitute, LHS will be same, 0 to 2a f of x dx. first term will be same, sorry, equal to 0 to a f of x dx. First term will be same. Now here it becomes minus and f of 2a minus x becomes f of x. So minus 0 to a f of x dx. Now if you observe, both integrals are same, limits are same, so subtraction is there, so answer will be 0. So clear students, this is very easy and even he has asked in annual exams. Last property we will see now. So last one, students. So minus a to a f of x dx will be equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx when function is even. So when do we say function is even? When f of minus x is f of x. So even if you substitute x negative, so the value remains the same, then we call it as even function. So for example, x square, cos x, sin square x, so such functions we call it as even. So if you x substitute it as negative, if it becomes minus f of x, then it is called odd function, then answer is 0. So for example, x, if you substitute minus x, it becomes minus sin x. Sin of minus x is minus sin x. So such functions are called odd function. So now again, if I take this by third property, that is by P2. So by property P2. By property P2. So I can write this as minus a to a f of x dx is equal to integration minus a to 0 f of x dx plus 0 to a f of x dx. So this I will take it as equation 1. Clear students? So 0 is in between minus a and plus a. So 0 minus a ಮತ್ತು plus a ನಡುವದ. So third property ಅಥವಾ P2 ದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇದು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Now in answer, if you see 2 times 0 to a f of x is there. So this you keep as it is. Now we will be solving only this. So now you are required to solve this one. So I will take this integral. So consider minus a to 0 f of x dx. Minus a to 0 f of x dx. Now you are required to simplify this. So you remember this hint here. You take x is equal to minus t. So you are required to remember this step. This step you should remember. Put x is equal to minus t. Then all other steps are same as we have done in previous properties and all. So if I differentiate this, so dx is equal to minus dt. Then accordingly I should change limit. So when x is equal to minus a, when x is equal to minus a, if I put here minus a is equal to minus t, so you will get t is equal to a. When x is equal to 0, when x equal to 0, if I take 0, t also becomes 0, so t is equal to 0. Now substitute these values in the integral. Therefore, minus a to 0 f of x dx is equal to. Now limit changes. Minus a to 0 is there. That will become from a to 0. Minus a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ a ಬರ್ತದೆ, 0 ಇದ್ದದ್ದು 0 ಉಳಿತದೆ. So it is integration a to 0. So now in place of x you will have minus t. So dx will be minus dt. So f of minus t into minus dt. Minus dt. Again 3 steps the same. So you take minus outside, then again interchange limit. In place of t you take x. So minus if I take outside, a to 0 f of minus t into dt. By property P1, interchange minus becomes plus. So 0 to a f of minus t into dt by property P1. Now by property P0, this will be 0 to a f of minus x dx. This is by property P0. Now this value minus a to 0 f of x, you substitute it as 0 to a f of minus x in equation 1. You substitute over here. Here. So substituting, I will change in this only. So substituting in equation 1. So substituting in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. So now if you substitute, this term changes. Minus a to 0 f of x becomes 0 to a. So this term changes. This will be 0 to a f of minus x dx. So 0 to a f of minus x dx. This I will take it as equation 2. This is equation 2. Clear students? Illivare clear adare? Iga last property hang solve madeo hange idu condition idrag tumbodu. Now easy, as we have solved in last problem, substitute, you will get the answer. So I will be solving on this side. So till then, if you want, you can try. Take the condition he has given, then substitute in equation 2, you will get the answer. So now if I take first, even function is there. So even function means f of minus x is equal to f of x, substituting in 2. Substitute in equation 2. So now if I substitute that, this becomes f of x. So you will have minus a to a f of x dx will be equal to 0 to a f of x dx, because f of minus x is f of x. So this term remains the same, 0 to a f of x dx. Now if you observe, both terms are same, so plus is there, add, so you will get 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. This is our first answer. This is our first answer. Now second, if you take odd function, second odd function, if you take odd function, f of minus x is minus f of x, minus f of x. So you substitute again in equation 2, substitute in equation 2. So if I substitute, so LHS as it is minus a to a f of x dx. So now in place of f of minus x, you will have minus f of x. So minus I will remove out. So this will be minus 0 to a f of x dx. This will be plus as it is 0 to a f of x dx. So minus plus both gets cancelled. You will have answer 0. You will get answer 0. That is our second one. Clear students? So in next video, we will solve numericals, or you can say problems on these